Hi everybody, it's Wado. I'm down at Fortune's Rocks. Give an update on this blow we're having. Stay tuned. Let's get a pan. Oh, look at that out there. Oh yeah, on that ledge. Let's get a pan down the beach so you can get a better idea of how it's rolling in. Now you can see. And of course it's completely up to the rocks. You know, there's no beach at this point. So this isn't even close to a hurricane. But you can see as we zoom down the beach, it's rolling in pretty good. I don't think there'll be huge damage from this one, but like I say, it's really not that big a blow. Well, you can see him at Biddeford Pool now, and it's come through the barrier up there. At some point, you can see the wet sand. Let's walk up and see how she's looking. All right, we're looking south now. It's pretty close to high tide right now. Not that bad. These houses aren't going to get any damage from this one. It looks to me like South Point is getting hammered pretty good. I wouldn't be surprised if it's breaking over the seawall over there on Ocean Avenue. Looking towards East Point now. So we're at South Point now, and it's not coming up over the road. I thought it might be. Man, there are some big rollers out there.